Chase Moffitt is actually in Missouri Valley, Iowa right now. He's going to continue our coverage live. How's it going out there, Chase?
Hey, Matt, yeah, we're live here in Missouri Valley. It's definitely been coming down now for quite some time. We actually made our way north from 680 in Omaha across the Mormon Bridge on I-29 north here in Missouri Valley. I would say about 4 o'clock, right when we crossed the Harrison County border in Iowa heading north. That's when we saw the changeover from the rain, steady light rain, to the snow. I'll get out of the shot here so you can get a better idea of conditions up here as you make your way north into the storm. This is a live look looking west from Missouri Valley onto I-29. You can see traffic still moving in the area, some people taking it slow, obviously. Now, we can still see some of the dusting on the roadways. Definitely seeing about 2, maybe 3 plows at this point, but definitely seeing the accumulation here on the grass. This is a kind of a wet, sticky snow for sure, so they'll be definitely dealing with that through the overnight. We'll be out here through the night and provide you more updates as the storm moves through the area. Reporting live, photographer Martin McHugh and Chase Moffitt, WOWT 6 News.
Yeah, Jason, we know with that first snow, that's when the traffic gets in, start piling up. Luckily, we haven't seen that yet. We want to check in now with WOWT 6 News reporter Brandon Scott. This isn't just happening north of us. He's actually in Omaha at a busy intersection, 90th and Dodge. Brandon, are you seeing anything out there that should be concerning us yet?
Matthew, nothing to concern us right now. However, as the weather moves through, that could change. Fortunately, 90th and Dodge, a tough intersection on any normal Friday night. Add snow to the mix, that gets even worse. But fortunately, right now, drivers are taking it slow. You can see traffic is moving without any problems at the moment. No accidents to tell you about at this particular intersection either. And it's a good thing drivers are paying attention and driving slow, because in just the past few minutes, the rain that was falling has turned into puffy, wet snowflakes. Of course, our weather authority team saw this coming, and if anybody wasn't prepared, you don't have any excuse.
Oh, it's been crazy. We've been selling all sorts of ice melt and shovels. We've been going through quite a few snowblowers as well.
At QP Ace Hardware in Midtown, manager Brandon Erickson is nearly sold out of snowblowers.
Everyone just wants to be prepared and ready to go for the winter season, I suppose.
There's snow coming and I had nothing to scrape my windows with.
Outside, we met Alicia Stevens, who just purchased a new snow and ice scraper. In her trunk, she keeps an emergency road kit, a blanket, and a bottle of water. But when she heard about this storm, she decided it was time to arm herself to battle the elements, which will likely attack her windshield.
I figured it's better to be prepared than be out there trying to scrape it with my bare hands.
And you know, she really made a good point, so I prepared myself too. I bought this snow shovel today. The folks at the hardware store told me it should help me dig my Jeep out should we actually see some accumulated snow, and I hope it actually works. You know, Matthew, I moved here from Los Angeles. This is my first snowstorm in more than 12 years. I'm a little scared. Let's hope it doesn't accumulate.
Nothing
I'm also very cold.
Hey, you got Mike on your side. You said no one's got excuses, and that includes you. That's why you got the shovel. All right.
That's right.
Thanks so much.